Hey guys, this is Gurnoor from Seiko Productions and this is Samsung Galaxy S8. Guys, this is just a quick unboxing of the device. I have planned an in-depth review of this device which is planned for next week. So make sure to check it out and subscribe to the channel because you won't want to miss that. And guys, I know this is very late unboxing of this device. I just bought it last week and please do not roast me in the comment section. I bought this device because I got a crazy deal on it, and I think on that price point this device is absolutely beast. So this is the whole package. As you guys can see, it says S8 right on the front with some Samsung branding. Let me grab my cutter and cut it open. So the box is quite good. It feels premium as it should. I actually like the color scheme, the matte black box with shiny blue writing. But how in the hell it opens? Come out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Samsung again. Let's flip it open. Oh, there's one more seal. Let's slice it. It's my first unboxing, guys, so I'm very sorry. So right on the top there is the device. But let's put it on the side for one time and check the other stuff in the box. SIM ejector tool, paperwork, fast charger, USB Type-C charging cable, USB connector C to A, micro USB connector C to B, and the AKG headphones. But this beauty though. Oh. On the one side we got the power button and on the opposite are the volume rockers and the big CB button. Single speaker and USB Type-C slot on downside and SIM tray on top. Let's boot it up. Oh, that curves on the screen, I love it. God damn. Let me set it up and I will see you guys. Pulling on the spec sheet, it has Exynos 8895 octa-core 2.3 GHz processor and 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM with a 3000 mAh battery under that glass panel which supports wireless charging. On the front, the display is 18.5:9 Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED, which bends to the edges, giving an endless experience. Enough. I will share all the features in the in-depth review video, so you have to wait till it comes out to see what this piece of glass with some electronic things can do. Okay guys, this is the video. I know it's short, but I nearly thought for 30 minutes to what to add in script, but all I came was with a cheeseburger and a cold drink, which I accidentally spilled on the burger. Enough talking crap. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. This is Gurnoor signing out. Thank you.